Hello guys, how are you? Let's start our lesson, Life on Broadway. In this lesson, you will find about life on the stage. Look at the photos and think about the answers. Which famous street in New York do they perform musicals and plays? How do you think? Child actors' lives are different to yours. How about school, social activities, and money? Pay attention to the new words. Perform, орындау, сомдау. Musical, play, қойылым, stage, сахна, audience, көрермендер, earn money, ақша табу.
A Life on Broadway.
Welcome to Broadway and New York City, the theatre capital of the United States. There are always lots of plays and musicals to see here. A lot of children dream of performing on a Broadway stage. Today, we're following the child actors of the popular musical Annie. The star of the show is only 12 years old. Children like her go to special acting schools. There, they train full-time to be actors and performers. They work very closely with the directors, and they rehearse for a long time every day. They are children living in an adult world. They have to learn very fast. It's a hard life because some children have to leave home at a very young age before they are teens. They miss their parents and friends, but they are also lucky. They can study for exams and they can also do something really creative.
Here, boy. Here, Sandy. Sandy, here, boy. Here, Sandy. Sandy. Good, Sandy.
Also, they are professionals, and some become famous and can earn a lot of money. To be an actor, you have to work in a team. Apart from the director, there is the set designer who decides what is on stage. And the lighting designer. They use lights to help create the world of the play. The lighting designer also creates special effects, like the snow. Finally, after all the hard work, it's showtime and the audience claps. It's the moment that every actor loves.
You're always a day
What subjects do they talk about in this video? Choose the ideas given below. Next exercise is choose the correct words in these sentences. Watch the video again if you need. So, let's test your memory. Are the sentences true or false? Correct the false ones. Exercise 5, page 92. Dear students, our lesson is over. Don't forget to give feedback. See you next time.